Updating your email address on Trip.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to personal information or email preferences. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address displayed. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Trip.com. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures you receive important notifications and updates regarding your bookings.